Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Lovely Cayenne. Today I have Miss
Hey, I'm Tara.
Tara, and today we are going to do a seafood boil with B Love's seafood sauce. So today we have crabs, potatoes, corn, and eggs. Something little. Don't mind the background noise. We got baby MJ here, and he wants some crabs, so we're gonna be sliding him some stuff too. So let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully everything tastes okay, because I don't know if I sealed it right. Yeah, we got you. So we just decided to do a little snack, I guess. I don't know what you want to call this. I did add some peppers in there.
Oh, you did?
Some sweet peppers.
What? Not as spicy as the last one you did.
I should have some more.
Mommy, it's raining.
Crabs are good. Crabs are good.
So you have anything planned for the 4th?
I don't actually.
No, me either.
We had a little gathering today. And my brother and my nephew and his wife. Pretty exciting. But unfortunately, I work the day after the 4th, so
I gotta work too.
it's a little much.
Not gonna be doing too much.
Right.
Anything. The sauce is good, but I could use it a little spicier. Yeah, I'm country. I see everybody else use scissors and stuff, but I use my fork to get them open sometimes if I can't. So sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
That's right.
I want this one.
They're already shooting fireworks at them.
I was thinking about getting some fireworks for the kids tomorrow. Or either that, or go to the park.
You did that last year, didn't we?
Might do it again this year.
It was pretty packed, too.
No. Please don't let me break a bracket. I will be getting these things off soon.
Oh, really?
Yep.
That's good.
About another week. Yay! Yay! I really don't care for the claws because I can never get into these things.
My gosh, Mom, get
I got
off
hot.
me. Invite yourself to put the taser down.
Can I get the claw? A camera person is now begging for food. His claw.
Mommy, yeah.
Oh, it's good.
Ooh. I have to get some of this onions and peppers.
That's probably well seasoning that.
That was hot.
Look at that damage. Woo! They shooting big guns out there.
She just.
Is that your next door neighbor? That's right there
or
in the
in the-
backyard.
Probably people in the back, yeah.
It's either the people across with the front neighborhood or the people by the, where the bike man used to live at.
That's for the seasoning there, right? Ah.
I can
Yes,
have
sir.
some baby.
Oreo.
Squeeze some of that off of there. Yes, sir.
Girl. Yeah.
That's what it is. That's it. Is that at the bottom?
Hmm?
Is that the bottom?
I tried it, just poured on top of everything.
Mm-hmm.
I probably should have just kept it in a bowl. I got one separate bowl.
You want the seasoning? Might be temperature hot. Yeah. You talking about the corn flames? Yeah.
Try this potato. How was the potato? Did you try it?
I didn't try it.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm starting to get the heat now.
Yeah.
I'm double dipping, y'all. I'm sorry. It's all good. We family. So yeah, Sarah is my cousin. We like getting together and having little last minute
11 o'clock at night.
come on, I feel like some seafood. Just come on by. Oh man,
What?
something is in my water. That's not nice.
Yeah, eat it.
I'm tasting the kick now.
And then got all into that season.
Mm-hmm. It's good though.
Look at the egg. So if I can pick it up. I think the eggs is
What happened to
kind of one of the best parts.
Oh, God. Got one of these potatoes. I'm gonna use my fork to get some of the seasoning. Mm-hmm. Not about to be on fire.
Ain't that hot? Little princess over there want to start getting loud.
Oh, yeah.
Spicy? We don't have much to talk about, y'all. We didn't really know what. It was like, what are we going to talk about? I don't know.
You put that thing in my ear. Mommy?
We might end up doing another video. And if we do, we will have something to talk about. Instead of y'all just watching us eat.
You wanted another potato?
It's one over here.
Oh, okay.
Might even get some of my other cousins to come in.
Join in.
And have some drinks and stuff.
Because we real last minute.
Very last minute. Oh my god.
What you got?
One of those sweet peppers.
Mm-hmm.
That was good. I think some shrimp would have been.
Real good too. Yeah.
I forgot to get some. I think we had looked at a bag.
Y'all was in the sun?
We looked at the bag and then you said you wanted crawfish. I said there was crawfish.
Yeah, instead I got crawfish.
You got
And some
crawfish and
mussels.
mussels.
Look at that. Yeah, we did not do a thumbnail. Oh well. We couldn't wait. Had to get it over.
I was digging in before the camera even started. Video even started. I'm already digging in.
Do you eat the bodies, like this part?
Mm-mm.
I usually don't care for it, but I'm not gonna let it go to waste today. Oh, excuse me. I did record me doing a Thai food. I went and brought me some Thai food.
Oh, really? From that Thai place in town? Oh.
One right down the road from the right next to CVS and the neighborhood
Oh,
Walmart.
okay.
Yeah, but I didn't like how that video came out.
Mm-mm.
I was like, yeah, no, I'm not putting that one out. Food was good. I think I might try it again. Get
I'm not a fan of
get
Thai food. Because I'm not a fan of it.
Really? I don't get it spicy. Well, I get it spicy.
Oh, okay. I've only gone once.
Mommy?
Yeah.
That's not yours.
I feel like I got stuff all in my braces.
Corn too, probably.
Corn, everything. Just up in it.
This sauce is really good.
I think that's one thing I hate about like going out on a date or something. So I'm like, I don't want to get nothing that
Stuck
I
in
don't
your
get
teeth?
stuck in my braces.
You smiling, you got corn in your teeth. Ah,
Now he looking at me like
you got that corn mouth.
she got to know. She got to know that's in there. And she just steady over here talking to me like nothing ever happened.
Never happened.
Nah, like nothing happened, MJ.
No, I think never happened.
You thought you could have been good with these? Some scallops.
I'm not a real fan of scallops.
You like scallops, man?
Skeleton.
Damn. We went through this quick.
Mm-hmm.
How hungry we were.
11 o'clock at night.
Mm.
What we doing?
Yeah. I like those sweet peppers.
Did you have that in the last sauce?
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
Just onion.
That last sauce was fire.
Mm-hmm. I can just eat these eggs and the sauce by itself.
Really?
Don't necessarily need. You want this last one?
Mm.
Not the claw. I'll give it to one of the kids. Let them eat it.
That was good.
But I am gonna eat this corn. So this is my first mukbang, y'all. First corn.
It's good. All right, two over here.
I'm looking at them all.
All on your shirt.
Oh man. Not good.
That was really good.
All right, y'all. Well, we're gonna go ahead and end this vlog. Not vlog. Sorry. This is mukbang, mukbang. I'm not exactly sure how they say it. Mukbang, mukbang. But yeah, I think it is from China or somewhere.
It was delicious.
Yeah,
It was good. That sauce was
yeah.
very good.
I think the next time I make it, though, I am going to make it spicier.
A little spicier. Like the first one
Yeah.
that you did. Yeah, that one was good. With the peppers in it.
But, oh, excuse me. Yeah. So, thank you for watching.
Thanks.
Thank you for joining me tonight.
You're
Our
welcome.
last minute shindigs. So, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. See you later.
See you later.
Bye.